In this video, I'll show you how to send money to Nepal using Remitly. Remitly is a fast, secure, and affordable way to send money internationally. If you're new, sign up using the link below to get your first transfer fee free. Now let's get started. Start by opening up the Remitly app or visit the website at remitly.com. And if you don't have an account yet, use the link below again to sign up for free and enjoy your first transfer with no fees. And if you already have an account, log in using your credentials to continue. Now, once logged in, select Nepal as your destination country. On this part, you can click onto this downward arrow and scroll down until you see Nepal, but you can simply type it in on this part and select the country from the results. So after that, hit send money and then type in the amount that you'd like to send. So for example, 100 US dollars, then you'll have an automatic conversion of that amount in their corresponding currency. Now on this part, you'll need to select the delivery method and as well as the payment method. Now for the payment or delivery method, you have three options. You can go for bank deposits, mobile money, and also cash pickup. So for this one, let us go with cash pickup. Now for payment method, you can go for debit card, credit card, and bank account. So for bank account, this transfers within 3 to 6 days. But for both of the cards or card option, this transfers instantly. So I recommend you to select from two of these options. So I'm going with debit card for now. And on this part, you'll be able to see the fees that you are going to pay for the transaction. Now hit continue and then select the cash pickup option. So since I have selected cash pickup as my delivery method, so usually I go for the most convenient location for the recipient. So I recommend you do the same for you. So I'm going with City Express for now. And on the next section, you just need to type in the recipient's name, the first name, middle name, and as well as their last name. After that, hit continue again and type in the recipient's ID or recipient city rather, as it would appear on their valid ID. And then hit continue again. And if you'd like for your recipient to receive transfer updates, you can type in their mobile number on this part, but this is completely optional, so you can skip this one. And now for the payment method, you can go for card and as well as bank account, but for this one, we are going with card. So now, type in the card number, expiration date, security code, and your name as it appears on your card. And on this part, you just need to double check the billing address. Make sure that this is correct. And on the next part, once you hit this next button, just carefully review all the transfer details, including the amount, recipient information, and delivery method. Once you confirm, Remitly provides a tracking number that you can share with your recipient to track the transfer. And that's basically it. Those are all the steps. So sending money to Nepal with Remitly is simple, secure, and quick. Use the link below to sign up and enjoy your first transfer fee free. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.